In May's video, we're going to show you the two areas of the catalog where you can view item details and the slight differences between both. Now, one's not better than the other, but they just have different information. So the first area of the catalog where you can view item details is using the Find a Copy link, and the second is in the item availability table found below the information about each edition. So let's start on the resource card for the stand. So here I am on the resource card for the stand, and if I scroll down, you'll see I have a link to find a copy at another library. Now, clicking this link will list all the libraries that have this currently available in alphabetical order. So I can click Bergenfield, and what this does is it puts all of Bergenfield's editions together. So I can see here they have the 1990 edition, as well as the 1978 edition. I can also see the call number and the collection. And from here, if I ever want to go back to my library list, I can select it from here, or I can click Libraries and go back. So now let's look at Oakland, but Oakland's farther down, so I can just type Oakland here, bring it up. And you can see Oakland has a 1990 edition. And here they also have the shelf location. So if your library has shelf location, it will also show up here, along with the collection. The two things that show up in the Find a Copy link that don't in the other area is shelf location and collection. And then also you have the benefit of things being grouped together. So if I go to Bergenfield, I have both editions together. Now I'm going to close out of this, and we're back on the resource card for the stand. And the other area you can view item details is under the Editions, Holds, and More Information table. So here it's going to list every edition in chronological order, from newest to oldest. So I can go to the 1990 edition and clicking this down arrow, I have the list of libraries that have the 1990 edition. It lists the call number, but you can see I don't have shelf location or collection. But I do have a details column right here, and clicking the detail, the I can get the item barcode for Bergenfield's copy. Now let's look how it is when you're on a collection site. So here, when I'm not on a collection site, I'm just going to have the libraries here in alphabetical order. But if I go to Glen Ridge's collection site and search for the stand and bring up the resource card, you can see here it says Glen Ridge first, and when I click Find a Copy, it will have Glen Ridge first, followed by the other libraries in alphabetical order. Now, if I'm logged in, the resource card shows that it's on the shelf at my home library because I'm a Glen Ridge patron. I'll have the call number here and the collection. And then when I click Find a Copy, I can see the home library is starred. And here it lists their the year edition they have, call number, and collection, and shelf location if it was cataloged. So a little bit difference in terms of what you see in the Find a Copy link versus going to the editions table. Both are good, but it depends on what you're looking for.